Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fund an Etrade account. Start by linking your bank using ACH or wire to transfer funds safely and confirm small test deposits. Next, verify your identity and review account limits in Etrade settings before sending money. Consider timing transfers early in the day to reduce processing delays, and keep transaction confirmations and ID handy for future reference now. Use ACH transfers to move money from your bank to Etrade for low fees and reliable timing. For immediate access, use a domestic wire transfer, which may incur bank fees but posts same day. You can also deposit a check via mobile capture, note hold times, and limits. Choose the method that aligns with your timing needs and fee tolerance, and always double-check routing and account numbers before sending funds. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading research and market books on the go. Its glare-free screen and long battery make studying simple. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. It's lightweight and fits in a bag next to your laptop, perfect during commutes. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Review your Etrade deposit limits and any verification steps required before initiating transfers. New accounts may have limits based on verification, and ACH holds can delay availability for trading for several business days. Wire transfers typically clear faster, but check with your bank about fees. Plan transfers ahead of planned trades, and keep screenshots of confirmation numbers to resolve disputes quickly with customer service if needed, and save emails now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.